Hello everyone. So today I am going to explain about search in a 2D matrix using binary search. So let's discuss the problem. So we have given it's a driver sheet. So from today I am starting to solve this driver sheet. So I hope you all will continue with me. So as we can see that search in a 2D matrix, it is a lead code problem number 74, and I am solving as the first problem of this driver sheet. So it is given that we have m cross n matrix and we have given one number target. So we basically want to search this target. If this target value found in our matrix, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. This is our problem. So the basic algorithm which we can use in order to solve this problem is by simply traversing each and every elements of the 2D matrix, and then we will compare the target elements with the matrix of I comma j coordinates elements. If we found the target elements equal to matrix of ij, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. So in this case we all know that our first loop will be running for m number of times, and our second loop will be running for the n number of times. So the total time complexity will be m into n. So now we want to optimize this solution, because in this we had not used the two properties which is given in our question. In our question, it is given two more extra properties, means it is a special type of matrix in which the integers in each row are sorted from the left to right, and the first integer of the each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. So it means that the first rule say that the elements are sorted in the row wise. At the same time, the second rule say that the first integer of the each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. That means the first integer of the second row is greater than the last integer of the first row. This is given in the second rule. So as we can see that these elements are sorted row wise, so we can treat each row as the individual array, and we can search a target either in this row or in this row or in this row. As it is given that the elements are sorted, it means the elements which is present at the column 0 and the elements which is present at the column means n minus 1, assuming n is the number of columns. So n minus 1th column will be always the number, always the elements which is between 1, which is greater than or equal to 1, or less than or equal to 7 will lie on first row, and the element which is greater than equal to 10 and less than equal to 20 will lies on second row, and the elements which is greater than equal to 23 and less than equals to 60 will lies on third row. So this this approach I had used in this problem in order to solve this problem by using binary search. So now let's discuss the code. So here we have, first we have found the total number of rows, which is matrix dot size, and total number of columns, that is matrix of 0 dot size. After that, I declared a one result variable of bool type and declare it as false. For example, suppose that if this loop runs but this condition not get true for any number of times, then in that case I will return false, because that element is not present. For example, let's take this example and suppose that I had given you the target value as 65. So first it will go at the row 0. So this is the row 0. So first it will calculate the target value is 65. 65, let me write, target is target is 65. Okay, so when we compare this element 65, 65 is greater than equal to 1, condition is false, and is given, so it will not check the further. Then again, the row index, the row r will get incremented by 1, as I we have written r plus plus, then r will become 1. Then again we will go to the second row, means first row, as we are dealing with the indexes generally start with 0. So it will, we will go at the first row, this I am calling it as a first row. So first row, then again target is 65. 65 is greater than equal to 10, Again condition is 65 is greater than equal to 10, condition is true. Then second condition, 65 is less than equal to 20, condition is false. So again our value will get incremented. Then in third case, 65 is greater than equal to 23, condition is true, but 65 is not less than 60, so condition is false. So in none of the cases this condition become true. Means this condition is false in all these cases in this example. So in this case we want to return false. That's why I had written bool of result equal to false. Now I hope this condition is clear to you why I had written this condition. For example, suppose the target value is 3. So let me explain with this problem too. If target value is 3, then again target is 3. 3 is greater than equal to 1, condition is true, and 3 is less than equal to 7. Means this if condition become true in this case. So it will enter inside the if body, and we have seen that the result equal to binary search. Means we had called the binary search function, and here we had passed matrix at 0. That means I had passed this whole row array, means this zeroth row array, and then I had passed the target value as 3, and here we will start from here because binary search generally start with 0 and 2 n minus 1. Here start value is this, end value is this. So that's only that all the things I had passed 0 and number of columns minus 1, that means this index. Then after that we had called the binary search function. Here also I had given the result value as false, that I will explain you later. So this whole is the same code as we had used in the binary search. So if the elements we found, if elements get found, then at that time result will become true and it will break the loop, and after that I had written the result. So in this case the true will be written. But suppose that in this case only, if the target is 2, so target is 2, then again we will check the condition. 2 is greater than equal to 1, condition is true, and 2 is less than equal to 7, condition is true. Then again this loop will means this body will executed, if body will executed, and here again binary search function will get called. So when we see the binary search function, then here I had written the bool of result equal to false. Now this will come into picture. For example, here I had given as 2 as the element, but 2 is not present here. So after this while loop will run and this loop will break, because none of the times this condition will get executed because 2 is not present in the zeroth row. So in that case, we will return the result value and the result value is false. That's why I had written false. I hope I had explained you each and every steps written in this code. If still you have any doubt, you can comment. And if you got the solution, then don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends with my channel. Thank you.